Okay. Hello, Siddarth. I am Kriti Mehta, team member of FindMyTest.com. We're glad that you joined us today. I would like to congratulate you for securing All India Rank 8 in Petroleum Engineering. Would you mind introducing yourself to our viewers?
Uh, Thank you, ma'am. First of all, I would like to thank you for inviting me for this interactive session. I hope this session would be beneficial for those appearing in GATE 2022. So, as you have said, my name is Siddarth Jain, and I have secured an All India rank of 8th in Petroleum Engineering stream. Currently, I am in my final year of BTech in Petroleum Engineering from Rajiv Gandhi Institute of Petroleum Technology. Thank you.
Okay. So, Siddarth, what are your opinion on petroleum engineering?
Petroleum engineering actually deals with the upstream part of the oil and gas industry, where the exploration and production is the main focus of petroleum engineering. So, if you are interested in uh, getting to know how oil and gas is explored, the petroleum engineering domain is made for you. So
Okay. So, what
it's
is your,
quite a
yeah, go on.
so it's quite a unique branch in itself, and it's quite challenging and at the same time exciting as well.
Okay. So that's good. You find it exciting. So, what is your GATE score and marks in GATE 2021, and how many times have you attempted GATE examination?
So this was my first attempt. My gate score was 875, and my marks was 85.67 out of 100.
Okay, that's good. So, when did you decide that you want to attempt GATE as a serious career option, and when did you start preparing for the examination?
So it was very much clear during my start of fourth year that I want to appear for GATE 2021. It was a blessing in disguise for me that lockdown happened during March and April. So it gave me ample time to, go through basic concepts and go through the normal books. So I started preparing around April and May.
Okay. So when did you choose that you want to, there are other career options such as CAT, private sector jobs, government jobs. So why did you choose GATE over all other career options?
So to be honest, I think one should know what is strong points are. So for me, I never felt like I'm good enough to appear for GATE or its aptitude was not for me. So I was very clear from the very start that I am very much interested in technical. So I decided to appear for GATE due to my more inclination towards the technical side. So that's why I appeared for GATE exam rather than giving CAT.
Okay, Siddharth. So what was, according to you, basically, what was the difficulty level of GATE 2021 petroleum engineering exam?
So as compared to 2020, the paper was slightly on the easier side. Actually, there were some conceptual questions, but it was not that difficult as compared to previous year. So that's why you can see that score was a bit higher this year as compared to the previous year.
Okay. So which, coaching did you take up? Like, did you take up any coaching? And if you did, how did it help you in securing All India Rank 8?
So for this GATE exam, I didn't take any coaching. Rather, I took 2 or 3 test series to brush up my preparation. I didn't took any coaching.
Okay. So which book or study material did you refer for the preparation of GATE examination? And would you like to please suggest few books that will help to crack the examination?
So Actually, in petroleum engineering, there are three main subjects, that is reservoir, drilling, and production operations. If you cover these three subjects along with maths, around 75 to 80% of your syllabus is completed. So for reservoir engineering, I followed LP Deck, Kraft and Hawkins, and Tariq Ahmed. For drilling, I followed two books, which are Heroit Watt and Rabia. For production operations, actually the syllabus for production engineering is quite vast, so we have to be very smart while preparation. So I referred some YouTube videos, and I also referred two books for that, which is a Heroit Watt for production operations, and Economites, and also some part of Ken Arnold.
Okay. So, what are some topics, like some important topics that should be focused while preparing for the GATE examination?
Yeah, as I have said, the three main subjects in petroleum engineering are reservoir, production, and drilling operations. So uh, they should be done uh, earlier as compared to other small subjects like enhanced oil recovery, well test analysis, health, safety, and environment. So this could be covered at a later stage, but the main three subjects are production, drilling, and reservoir, along with maths, obviously,
Okay.
engineering mathematics.
Okay. So, what was your preparation strategy as well as a revision strategy for the examination?
So my preparation strategy was like, first of all, I focused on the topics that need conceptual clarity. So I took use of basic books and also some YouTube videos for that preparation. In the mid phase, I started making notes, like around August and October. During that time, I started preparing notes for my gate preparation, and then at later stage, in starting December, I started giving mock tests. Every day I gave at least one mock test. So you mock test giving mock test at the later stage is very important part, because that's where you get to know that what are your weaknesses and what mistakes are you making.
Yeah, that's true. You should know the mistakes. You learn from your mistakes. So, what was your time management strategy for attempting the examination in? Like, basically, as I know, while giving in competitive examination, it is very important to manage your time during the exam. So, what was your strategy for that?
During the three hours, you want to know
Yeah.
time. So actually, that's where giving mock test is very handy. So you have to manage your time in such a way that you don't consume lot of time on any specific one or two questions. If during your exam you are not able to crack that one or two questions, it's okay, you can move on. But if you got stuck up on that questions, then you are killing your time, and it can be quite challenging to improve your score after that.
Okay. So, how was this year's gate pattern different from the previous years? As you said that this time it was much easier compared to 2020. So, what was the difference in pattern?
There was a slight difference in pattern, like there were multiple select questions, which never happened before. Like one or more options were correct in some of the questions. So that way, I think it was different. And also, this time the proportion of various subjects was also different in petroleum engineering as compared to other subjects. Like this time, weightage of offshore was much more, which wasn't in the previous year.
Okay, Siddharth. So, would you like to throw some lights on GATE 2022 petroleum engineering aspirants, like suggestions or views here, or help them to crack the examination basically?
So for me to clear gate examination, the key factor is the consistency. The more you will be consistent in your day-to-day habits, the more likely for you is to qualify gate with flying colors. So you have to be first of all consistent. You have to take care of small things that we tend to ignore, don't use the gate calculator while solving numericals. Don't use your normal scientific calculator that you use. It's very important to know how to use gate calculator smartly. Second thing is, when you give mock tests, give them very seriously. Use scribble pads so that at the examination day you won't be you are very familiar with whatever you are doing. So make sure of that. And yes, I think it's all about the hard work that you put in at the end that matters.
Okay, Siddharth. So congratulations once again for securing All India Rank 8 in GATE 2021 Petroleum Engineering. And thank you for giving us your valuable time. And Find My Test team wishes you all the best for your bright future.
Thank you, man. Thank you so much.